Number 3 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. When creating stunning jewelry pieces with intricate details, the best 3D printer for the job is undoubtedly the FLASHFORGE 3D printer. With its remarkable features and exceptional performance, it's a dream come true for jewelry makers. What sets this printer apart is its ability to produce exquisite designs with utmost precision. The FLASHFORGE 3D printer boasts cutting-edge technology to achieve intricate details and complex patterns, giving your jewelry a genuinely mesmerizing look. It's like having a jewelry-making genie at your fingertips. This printer's dual extruders work seamlessly together, allowing you to print with different colors and materials simultaneously, more time for one print to finish before starting the next. With double productivity, you can meet the demands of your small workshop and bring your creative ideas to life faster than ever. The heating bed of this printer is a game changer. It ensures rapid and steady heating, minimizing the risk of model warping. Removing your prints becomes a breeze, resulting in high-quality jewelry pieces ready to be adorned. Moreover, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer incorporates an anti-scrape design, reducing cross-contamination during dual-color printing. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.